Are you looking for the best hardwood floor cleaning machines? In this video we will look at some of the best hardwood floor cleaning machines on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Bissell Hardwood Floor Cleaner. Bissell has been making cleaning products and machines for quite a long time, which are generally quite versatile, which also includes its hardwood floor cleaning machine given here. The Bissell 1940A hardwood floor cleaning machine is present in the first position of this list, since it is quite practical for most. Beginning with its cleaning method, it happens to be a highly effective steam mop. Although, since this is a fairly affordable option, it is a corded cleaning machine. As for its features and options, you get a 500 ml water reservoir with it for storing a lot of water inside. You also get a 23-foot long power cord with it, which can deliver up to 1,500 watts of power. Another great thing about this hardwood floor cleaner machine is that it features a 2-year-long warranty for your peace of mind. Number 2. Nubila Hardwood Floor Cleaner. Nubila Mop is an excellent choice for anyone looking to keep their home clean and sanitized without the use of harsh chemicals. This model features a 2-inch-1 design that allows it to function both as a steam mop for floors and a handheld steamer for hard-to-reach areas and a variety of surfaces. With 1,200 watts power, it heats up in just 15 seconds and can reach temperatures up to 248 F, ensuring effective cleaning and sanitization. Its lightweight design, combined with the 180-degree swivel steam mop head, makes it easy to maneuver around furniture and into tight spaces. The steamer is equipped with a 250 ml water tank, providing 10-25 minutes of continuous steam. It comes with a comprehensive set of 7 multi-purpose accessories and 2 washable microfiber pads, making it suitable for a wide range of cleaning tasks, from floors to kitchen counters, and even car interiors. Number 3. Tynco Hardwood Floors Cleaner. Tynco is a comparatively premium and a high-end brand of cleaning machines, which can be considered if you are looking for high-performance cleaning machines for your home or office. This Tynco Floor 1S3 hardwood floor cleaning machine is present in the third position of this article because this is a high-performance vacuum option. Since it is a wet-dry vacuum, it works perfectly on hardwood floors as well. Being a high-end and a premium wet-dry vacuum, it happens to be a cordless one, which is to be expected. And when you consider that it is a wet-dry vacuum, its given water reservoir capacity of 100 ml is certainly quite decent. You also get a battery life of up to 25 minutes on a single charge, making this a highly practical cordless cleaning machine. Being a highly premium cleaning machine, it also offers a 2-year-long warranty to the user. Number 4. Bissell Hardwood Floor Cleaner. Bissell also offers slightly different options for those who are looking for hardwood floor cleaning machines and want something versatile and ideal for more than just your floors. The Bissell 1806 hardwood floor cleaning machine is one of the only few options out there which can be used as a steam mop as well as a steam cleaner. But if you want to clean hardwood floors, you will have to use its steam mop function. Although, despite being more expensive, this one is still a corded one like the similar option given above. That being said, you do get a great similarity between this and the previous Bissell cleaning machine is that it has a 500 milliliters water reservoir. You also get the same 23-foot long power cord that is made for a slightly different 1320 watt of power rating. Coming to the reliability of this cleaning machine, Bissell also offers a 2-year-long warranty with this steam mop as well. Number 5. Hoover Hardwood Floor Cleaner. You can also consider Hoover and its cleaning machines, especially if you are looking for vacuum-based options but don't want to spend a fortune for getting the same. Hoover's FloorMate FH40160PC Hardwood Floor Cleaning Machine is one of the cheapest options out there of its kind. This is due to the reason that it happens to be a wet-dry vacuum type cleaning machine without charging a premium for the same. It is able to offer the same while being relatively affordable thanks to its corded power design. Despite being a wet-dry vacuum, it offers an excellent water reservoir capacity of 1000 milliliters, which is on par with high-end steam mops. Although, its given power cord of 20 feet length can be a bit too short for some. Thankfully, it does offer a 2-year-long warranty for your peace of mind. Number 6. Boner Hardwood Floor Cleaner. Boner is one of the cheapest brands out there when you are talking about hardwood floor cleaning machines, which makes it ideal for those who are on a budget. This Boner hardwood floor cleaning machine is the most affordable option given here, which makes it ideal for those who are restricted by budget. In order to keep its price tag low, it uses a spray mop design, which is to be expected. That being said, it does mean that you don't need any power source for using it. Moving over to the water reservoir of this spray mop, it offers a pretty high capacity of 1000 milliliters, which makes it highly versatile and practical. Another great thing about this spray mop is that it has a 16-inch wide mop head, which is much bigger than others. However, since Boner is a fairly small brand, you do not get any warranty with it. Number 7. Turbo Microfiber Hardwood Floor Cleaner. The Turbo Microfiber Mop Floor Cleaning System is designed for anyone in need of a high-quality, versatile cleaning tool for their home, office, or commercial space. Made with a lightweight aluminium alloy handle and a large metal mop head that rotates 360 degrees, it ensures easy maneuverability and access to hard-to-reach areas. The package includes 2 microfiber pads for dusting and mopping, as well as 2 scrubbing pads for tougher stains, all of which are machine washable and reusable, promoting an eco-friendly cleaning approach. The adjustable telescoping handle can extend from 35 to 60 inches, accommodating users of different heights and enabling cleaning of walls and ceilings as well as floors. It's compatible with various surfaces, including hardwood, tile, laminate, and vinyl, making it a suitable tool for virtually any cleaning task. Number 8. Light and Easy Hardwood Floor Cleaner. Unlike other options given here, Light and Easy offers some of the most versatile option for all those who are looking for something that is much more than just cleaning machines. Light and Easy's 7688 and hardwood floor cleaning machine is the perfect option if you not only want to clean your floors but other things at your home as well. This is due to the reason that this steam mop can also be used as a steamer. Although, similar to most other steam mops, this one is also corded, which is not something that everyone wants, because this steam mop is one of the smallest options out there. Its given water reservoir capacity of 340 milliliters is to be expected. That being said, you do get a decent 20 feet power cord, which is quite good for the price. Another great thing about this cleaning machine is that it has a 1-year long warranty for your peace of mind as well.